Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi 12. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can enable or disable dark mode, schedule it, and in more dark mode options you can adjust wallpaper to dark mode, adjust text and backgrounds automatically, and enable dark mode for certain apps. Next, you can change brightness level of the screen manually or via automatic brightness. Then you can enable or disable reading mode, schedule it and change its mode, and also adjust the modes. Next, you can change color scheme, select between vivid, saturated and standard, and change color temperature between default, warm, cool and custom. Then you can change refresh rate between default and custom. And next you can change font style, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and in the end you can enable or disable auto rotate screen. If you want to change auto screen time off, go to lock screen, enter sleep and select between 15 seconds, 10 minutes and never. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.